everyone. I'm Abhirup Roy, studying in 10th standard from Maharshi Vidya Mandir, Hyderabad. And Maharshi Vidya Mandir is my school, let me tell you that. Pretty obvious, I guess. Yeah. So, talking about my school, I just reminisce of the days when I used to physically attend my classes, be it school or coaching. So, just to relax myself, sympathize myself, or pacify myself, I just sit back and do a thorough sequences of flashback to my school life. Really good, I'm telling you. However, school life has just become a forgotten term during this lockdown as life has just come to a stop and in the mode of online classes. That's right, lockdown due to this pandemic. Lockdown has become the speed breaker of the so-called car life, which is moving on the road of happiness and progress. And this lockdown has a real heavy impact on everyone, including especially those who are the newborn, and also those young teenagers who haven't explored much of the world, me being one of them. And this lockdown has a really heavy impact on, especially I'm emphasizing on the word teenagers. And why am I doing that? Let me tell you. Teenagers having no means of physical workout or exercise, they obviously will go to the most popular means of entertainment. So let me tell you one of the example. It would be PUBG, BGMI, or Call of Duty. These are the action games which are really popular nowadays. So talking about action games, it's really refreshing if you play it within a limited time. But if you are addicted, then no one can get you out of it except you. And if you are addicted, there is one more disadvantage to it, that if it's an action game, it will ultimately create a level of dissatisfaction, anger, and violence within you. Okay, and you might not realize, and it may cause rage incidents at home. Okay, you might not be believing me, but it's true. I have heard of many rage incidents during this lockdown, people killing their own relatives or hurting somebody in their homes because of not letting them play the games. And especially teenagers, I have heard that, and I have recently heard a news almost 5-6 months ago that a teenager beheaded his father because his father rebuked him for playing online games, and then he locked his mother into a room, which was really sad and drastic to listen. So I felt that I need to talk about this. It's really serious, and since this thing creates a violence and anger and hatred in you, it stays and it lingers on to you for a long time. It might be for a lifetime. So you need to get out of it. And you must be asking, since I listed out the problems, I must give you the solutions too, right? So like WHO says, like everyone says, I would also say that try taking well-balanced meals, have a good sleep of 8 hours minimum. Also, try to meditate in the morning, preferably in the morning, 5 to 6, and in the evening too. And if possible, you can take your family within all your activities that you do. Also, if you're feeling bad, if you're having a bad mood, a bad day, you can cheer yourself up by watching or doing whatever you love. You can watch TV, you can do singing, dancing, cooking, acting, whatever you want. And you can also involve your family in that, just to make it a little bit more cheerful. Also, if you don't like all of these, you can also play some board games which many people find interesting, such as Ludo, Uno, and many other things like Othello, Monopoly. So these things will try to help you get rid of the stress or anxiety due to school, college, or office work, or even household chores. So get yourself a break, enjoy some time with your family, and stay away from this virus. Stay safe, stay secure. Thank you so much.